Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tyro TV. I'm Ron T. Arena.
And I'm Kathy T. Arena.
And today we want to talk about the top 5 stress relievers in a relationship.
And the top 5 things that will not relieve stress in your relationship.
And so how we want to do this, we want to start with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and have a big celebration.
A big 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the things that do relieve stress?
That do relieve stress, because I tell you that number one, when we finally get to that number one, you may already figure it out, but I'm going to tell you this. It's not what you think.
Or maybe it is.
Maybe it is. All right. So if we were to describe or to put a name on the 5th thing that relieves stress in a relationship, what would you say it'd be? Sweetheart? Exercise. Mm-hmm. Okay. You know what? I'm going to agree with you on that, because in my top 5, number 5 is exercise. And what does that mean? What type of exercise? And then how long do you got to exercise in order to have that experience of, I'm relieved.
So much
or I feel much better. I mean, how do you do that? What, do you work out for 20 minutes? Do you work out for 10 minutes? Is it got to be an hour?
Yeah, it's got to be at least 20 minutes. At least 20 minutes of exercise. And if you can exercise together, even better.
But the thing about it is, because if I exercise or if we exercise separate for too long a period of time, can that create stress?
Okay, all right, come back. So right? Number 5. Number 5 is exercise.
Number 5 is exercise. Everybody hold your hand up.
Yeah.
5.
Number 4.
Number 4 now. 4. The 4th thing. Take
Guess
away
what
the thumb.
it is.
Number 4. Yes. And it's not just chocolate.
That's right. Eat
your favorite food.
Right.
But don't go overboard in eating it.
So if there's stress in your relationship, going out to eat, sharing a meal, something that you really enjoy eating, share that together, and that will decrease the stress in your relationship.
Or even, what's even with the eating, before you eat, make the meal together.
Right.
Something that you like eating together. Plan that evening or that day and say, you know what, let's have, one of the things that we like to have is peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Boom,
or tacos.
Well, yeah, we'll go with tacos. And tacos. And so I dice, I slice, she fries.
I stir.
Yep. And then we taco it up, baby. So that's number 4.
So number 5 was
exercise.
Number 4 is eating. Number 3 is?
Number 3 could be watching your favorite show, right? Mm-hmm. We're not talking a movie now. We're talking about something that makes you laugh. Your favorite show that could be like a comedy.
It might be a movie, something that that you have brought you enjoyment in the past, or something that you've really been wanting to watch together. Mm-hmm. Put it on.
Yep.
Stop everything else, stop the world, stop the noise, turn off your phones, and put on a movie together and snuggle.
And number 2 is turn off the phone, turn off the computer, remove that from your life, come into an agreement.
And don't just turn it off.
Yep.
Like, okay, put it on silence, get it out of the room, so that you're really just concentrating on each other. And that will decrease a lot of stress. Because we know a lot of couples that it's like the number one stress is, we're trying to have fun, we're eating a meal together, and then my spouse or my boyfriend, girlfriend, they're checking their phone, like there's something more important
Now remember,
than us.
when you're doing number 4, if you're eating, right, to release stress, the phone can't be there on that table, right? You gotta set it aside, leave it in the car.
All right.
when you go to the restaurant.
The number one way to decrease stress in your relationship is
I thought it was learn a foreign language.
No, it's
what?
Not learn a foreign.
Oh my goodness. Okay. No, number 1 is just what you were thinking, is take time, get away, go to that hotel.
Or just, you don't even have to go to a hotel.
What?
Kissing. Just kissing. It doesn't even have to be sex.
It doesn't have to go full-blown love. Right? Just set the mood, set the tone. And really, the number 1 thing for stress is to flirt with each other. Mm-hmm. Flirting really releases, bring back
kissing.
and kissing. So those are your top 5 stress relievers.
So now we're going to talk about the top 5 things that add stress to your relationship. So these are the do not do's. Number 1
is that little black box. Okay, so when you're with your wife and you're having a good time, and you're with your family, set the black box aside, because if it vibrates or it goes off, that is always a mood killer, and it will always change the tone of whatever it is you're trying to create.
All right. Number 2 is having the in-laws over every weekend.
What do you mean?
This will create a little stress in your relationship.
So tell mom and dad and tell the in-laws, stay home, we got it covered. Right?
Having them over once in a while is super important, but doing it every weekend is going to create a little extra stress in your relationship.
Number 3 is wherever you and your lady go, or wherever ladies, you and your men go, don't take the kids with you every time.
So the number 3 stressor in relationships is having the kids with you all the time. Number 4 is not having any time alone, because each of you need a little bit of time alone to just pursue your own.
So that means that
interests.
I'm giving you permission to take what they call me time, right? Is that what you're talking about? Me time. And that's a good thing.
Pursue your own interests. It doesn't have to be me time. But
So when I go
investing
into the
in-
garage to make something, you're okay with that?
Right.
Right. And when you go in the kitchen to cook for me, and you're alone in the meantime, is that what you're talking about? No? Okay, no.
Okay.
That is not me
all right,
time.
All right, bring it back. So number 5, what's the fifth thing to not do?
And the 5th thing is to do not stop dating.
Right.
Because
do
that
not date, because
Yeah.
not dating is going to create extra stress in your relationship. So,
So-
there, you've got the top 5 things that are going to decrease stress, and you've got the top 5 things that are going to increase stress. So what are you going to do?
All right. That's good.
All right.